Okay, so you've decided to build a barn and you want to get your rafter lengths. Well, I've got a real easy solution to figure out your rafter length. Here's a drawn out diagram. Okay, I've got a 30-foot building, okay, 30 feet wide, and I need to make trusses for this thing. So it's really easy. Your span is 30 feet, your run is 15 feet. So you want your total rise of your roof to be half of that, which is 15 feet. But to figure out how long each rafter is, and all 4 rafters will be the same length, all you have to do is take your total span, which is 30 feet, times the sine of 22.5. Now the sine of 22.5 is 0.3827. So if you multiply 30 by that, you'll get 11.48 feet. Now if you use my method that I taught in my previous rafter video on how to convert to inches, we'll get 137 and 30 seconds of an inch. 30 seconds of an inch. Okay? So that's how long each rafter is going to be. Now, how you're going to lay out your rafters is you're going to start by marking out a 22.5, okay, and you're going to measure out half the width of your material. So if this is 6 inches, then this would be 3 inches. That's going to be where you mark your seat cut. You're going to do that on both ends, and you're going to put a line going all the way up. Okay. Now you're going to cut your seat cut from this point in on a 22.5, and your overhang can be however long you want. Like if you want this to be like a foot or 6 inches, 2 feet, you can make that however long. So make sure that you leave enough material on the back of your board to be able to mark that out. So there you go. You got your 22.5. You're going to measure out however long you want this, then make a 22.5 there. Then up your imaginary line here, the line that you put down at the center of the board, you're going to measure from this point to this point, 137 and 30 seconds of an inch. Now on your upper rafters, you're going to cut a 22.5. You do the same thing, split the board material in half, so that's 3 inches to our center line on both ends. Put your line up there, and you're going to measure from this point to this point, the same measurement, 137 and 30 seconds, okay? And that is how you get your rafters quick and simple. And all you have to do is 22.5-degree angle turns. You nail it together, and bam, you've got rafters. I will make another video eventually showing you if you want your lower rafters to be longer so you have more head space on the lower portion of your roof, because you've got the lower rise and you got the upper rise. So if you want your lower rise to be higher, I do have a way of actually doing the math to make the lower rise higher, but I'll make that in the next video. See how well this one goes, but I hope this helps you. Good luck, have fun, and go build a barn.